Namaskar dosto, I am Kaushik and welcome to my channel. If you ever been curious about C++ but were not sure where to start, you were in the right place. In next 5 minutes, we're going to break down the absolute fundamentals of C++. We'll cover what it is and why is it so popular. We'll even write our very first program using compiler like MineGW. So let's begin. So, what exactly is C++? Think of it as a powerful high-performance programming language. Unlike Python, which is more friendly, C++ is giving very precise instruction to the computer. It is used to build things like video game engines, operating system, and high-frequency trading applications where every millisecond counts. The main reason to learn C++ is its incredible speed and control. It gives you a deep understanding how computer works, which makes you a more skilled programmer overall. Let's write our first C++ program. It's a tradition to start with hello world program. This is simply prints a hello world message on the screen. So first we're gonna do a include IO stream, then we're gonna write a int main function, then we're gonna open it and close it, and then inside we're gonna just do a standard cout hello world and then standard endline, and then we're gonna just return 0. This semicolon is very necessary, so you have to see if you ever miss something like this, then you will have an error. So remember, this semicolon is very necessary. Now to run this program, we're going to do control tilde to open the console. Then we're gonna do, because I have MineGW installed, if you don't know how to install it, please search it on Google or YouTube. So we're going to just do G double and double plus, then our file name, then dash O, then the name which we want the executable to have. So I want the executable or the ex.exe file to be called app. So we're gonna just enter and it will make a app.exe file. There you go. You can see there is the app.exe file. Then to run this, you can just do app.exe and it will print the hello world. Now let's break it down line by line because C++ has more going on than other languages. Hashtag include IOStream. This line is telling the compiler, hey, I need a library to handle input and output. The IOStream library lets us print text to the screen. Int main. This is the starting point of every C++ program. Think of it as a main command that computer executes. Standard cout, then hello world. This is the command to print text. Standard cout stands for standard character output. Return 0. This line tells the computer that the program has run successfully. See, it is not scary once you understand what each part does. Next, let's talk about variables. Variables are like containers where you store data, but in C++, you have to tell the computer exactly what kind of data you are going to put into the container. This is called a data type. There are few common data types called int, double, string, boolean, etc. There are more, but let's focus on this few for the time being. So first we're gonna write an integer data type. So we're gonna just do int age equals 25. You can give it any number like 15, 20, anything. If it is a number, then it is an int type. Then we're gonna just do a array of characters called Rondo. So here you can do hello world just like we gave it previously. You can just give it hello world, or you can give it any name like your name, like my name. I'm gonna give it this, and then we're gonna just do that float. Let's just say height equals 5'6". Let's just do 5'6", and then we're gonna just do Boolean is student. Yes, it is true. I'm a student. Then okay. Now we're gonna print this out using cout name and then age, and then in the same way we're gonna just do standard cout height and then is student is student. Then we're gonna return 0. Now as we did previously, we're going to use command and tilde to open the terminal. Then we're gonna use the command g++ space app.cpp-o and then the name of the executable, which is app. We're gonna enter it and it's gonna run, and then we can just run app.exe, and here we go, we have all the things necessary. Now there it is showing 1 because true and false values are stored as 0 or 1. When you use C++, you need to be very specific about the data types of the data you are working with. So in this 5 minutes, we have covered what C++ is and its main uses, the hello world program and each part means, the basic of variables and data types. This is just the beginning of the C++ journey. In our next video, we'll build on these fundamentals and create a simple calculator. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the more coding videos. Thanks for watching and happy coding.